So we are here at Willow Springs International Raceway Park, and right behind me you can see the beautiful balcony. So balcony is pretty much where you can come drift your car and stuff. You can come here, spend some money with Willow Springs, not that much, and basically test. You gotta get your little license here. I forget how much it costs, like $50, $75 or so for the year. I don't actually, maybe it's more than that, but it's not that much. It's still very inexpensive to be able to come out here, practice drifting, do it in a safe environment, not be out on the streets messing around. And I brought my wonderful beat up vet here. You can see my C6 Z06, over 200,000 miles on it, supercharged, boosted, making a decent amount of power, but nothing super crazy. It's still a stock motor, but I'm gonna be having a lot of fun with it here today. This is my first time at balcony and also my second time taking my car to an actual drift track to practice drifting. So I wanna learn some things. It's pretty wide open here. I'm definitely gonna learn quite a bit. You can see you got people behind me already drifting a little bit, getting sideways and stuff, so I'm looking forward to it. Should be a good time, and hopefully I don't hit anything. Really good time today here at Willow Springs. Had a lot of fun. Man, learned a lot too. Got a lot of good video too, but it started raining on us. You can't, I guess you can kind of see it's getting wet on the ground, but it started raining, so it got slick. It was already slick out there, but yeah, I had to call it quits for today. I stayed on just one pair of tires for today, which is awesome. Probably because I really wasn't roasting them like some of the other Formula Drift guys. I'm not a Formula D guy, so I'm not ready to completely just light the things on fire and create big smoke yet. I'm still learning, but one day I will figure it out. And there's a lot of things I gotta do setup wise on this car to get it more drift ready so that I can do that. Because right now with the front end, it's pretty low. There's not a lot of weight. The weight transfer going from forward to rear isn't really great. So it makes it stay a little bit difficult to drive, but it's all good. I'm learning. At the end of the day, it is a street car. It's not really truly a drift car. I just put some drift type stuff in it with the angle kit and also the hydraulic e-brake. But besides that, I mean, really just a street car that can get sideways a little bit and hang out. So anyways, I had a really good time. It was fun, learned a whole bunch. Now it's time to get everything put up and keep on going and maybe make some more GTR videos. Thank you all so much for watching.